Everyone, I'm here with another layout. I figure I have probably about an hour before anyone gets up. It's at 6 o'clock and everybody starts getting up around 7. My husband didn't go to bed until after 2 in the morning, so he'll sleep a lot later, and his dad, my father-in-law, did not go to sleep. I got up at 1:30 to take some ibuprofen, and he was still up too, so maybe he'll sleep later too. And I don't know, for some reason, Sabrina was wanting attention. So I was trying to multitask. And this is my last layout with the February 2021 kit. So I have all these little scraps that I was trying to use up. And here she is. And of course my background is Basil cardstock, and then that blue star pattern is Echo Park's Little Dreamer Girl. And then she was wanting to play with all my papers, so I had to find her a strip of paper. So that one I'm going to cut into 2 pieces because you're not going to know that it doesn't go all the way through. And I realized there's something there. I was going to use my trimmer, then I realized, oh no, I want them at different lengths, not same lengths. So here I'm going to try to cut them into banners. Trying to keep her out of trouble. I was only going to do those 2, and then I decided that I didn't like... Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm going to do the top. And I didn't realize that I probably had to leave and come back and hit record, and then I realized it didn't even record before I did all this other stuff. So that envelope is the cut file. The Love You, no, not the Love You More, I don't think. The Love You More might be too. Hold on, I need to go get those layouts. Sure which ones I need, so. Oh, nope, I don't need You're My Sunshine. Oops. Alright, here we go. Yeah, that is, let's see. I think Lucky More might be the cut file too. No, that I think is, no, that's a die cut. Anyway, so the floral die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio Sundays, and the rest of the die cuts, with the exception of that envelope, is Hip Kit Club's Heartfelt, and then the Decorative Brads or Simple Stories Hello Today, and then Life, let me see here, I used Beauty, but at the bottom left corner I have 2 chipboard stickers, and at the very top left I used 3, Life, the clipboard, and then Today, and those are all Simple Stories Hello Today as well. My Decorative Brads are, I think I told you, Hello Today, Simple Stories. So I'm trying to figure out if there's anything else I want to do. I do white splatters. Yeah. And then that completes my layout. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back with more.